This is Module 3, Lesson 1. It has to do with equivalent fractions, both on a number line and using the formula.
Mr. Cotter, please call the office. Mr. Cotter, please call the office.
So to make equivalent fractions, we can pick any number as long as it is equal to 1. So in this case, we have 1/4, and we want to make an equivalent fraction. We're going to start, and we know that 1/4 is less than 1 whole, so it's between 0 and 1. We're going to plot this onto our number line. So now we're going to make it as long as it's 1 whole. So in this example, I'm going to say times 2, 2 over 2. This 2 over 2 is the same thing as saying 1. So when I multiply 1 times 2, I get 2, and 4 times 2, I get 8. And now I can plot 2/8. So I'm going to split the number line into 8s. And now this is also 0/8, 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and 8/8. And I can see right here that 1/4 and 2/8 are equivalent fractions, and they are equal to each other. Another example of how to do this, we're going to start another one right here. We have 2/3. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to put the 2/3 on the number line. So we know that this is less than 1, so we're going to split it up into 3 pieces. 3 pieces means that I need to draw 2 lines so that I have 3 pieces. So this is 0/3, 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. Once again, in order to make an equivalent fraction, we want to multiply by the same number in the numerator and the denominator. So 2 over 2, and that gives us 4/6. So if we split thirds in half, we make 6. So now we have 0/6, 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6, and 6/6. And we see that 2/3 and 4/6 are equivalent fractions. They are equal to each other. Now sometimes we don't have a number line, and we just have to make equivalent fractions. And in that case, we will multiply by any number that is equal to 1. So in this case, I'm going to rewrite my 4/7, and I want to multiply it by 4 over 4 is the number I'm going to choose, because this equals 1 whole, and that makes 16/28. Another example over here, 1/8. So I'm going to rewrite 1/8, and I decide I want to multiply this time by 6 over 6. Any number there, as long as the numerator and the denominator are the same. And I have 6/48. Let's do one more example. I have 2/5. I'm going to rewrite 2/5. This time I want to multiply by 10 over 10, I've decided, because that equals 1. And I have 20/50. And now I've learned how to make equivalent fractions using a number line and using the formula.